Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to insert table in Yahoo Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up a spreadsheet tool such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any similar application you're comfortable with. Once you've chosen your tool, create a table with the rows and columns that best fit the information you want to share. Next, highlight the entire table by clicking and dragging your cursor over the data. Once it's selected, copy the table using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now, open Yahoo Mail and log into your account. Once you're in, click the Compose button, usually represented by a pencil icon in the top left corner. This opens a new message window. Click into the body of the email, then paste the table you copied earlier. Your table should now appear directly inside the email body. Take a moment to verify that all of your data is visible and properly formatted. While this method works in most cases, formatting might vary slightly depending on your original document's styles or colors. Make sure everything looks consistent and professional before sending. And that's it. So that is how you can insert table in Yahoo Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.